Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Hold My Beer Detailing, your favorite spot for all things car care. Today, we're tackling a common summer problem, removing sunscreen from leather seats. We love sunscreen for our skin, but our car seats? Not so much. Let's dive into how to fix this sticky situation without breaking a sweat. And don't worry, we'll keep it fun and easy.
Welcome to Hold My Beer Detailing.
First things first, we've all been there. You hop in the car after a day at the beach, and oops, your sunscreen-covered arm has left a mark on your beautiful leather seats. It's like a greasy autograph you didn't ask for. If left untreated, sunscreen can cause permanent stains and even degrade the leather over time. Those oils and chemicals in the sunscreen can seep into the leather, causing discoloration and a sticky residue that's hard to remove. So, tackling this problem as soon as you spot it is crucial. Modern automotive leather is designed to be durable and comfortable. It's usually treated with a protective coating to resist wear and tear, spills, and UV damage. This coating helps keep the leather looking good and extends its lifespan. However, despite these protections, leather is still a natural material with some vulnerabilities. So why does sunscreen get so deep into the leather? Well, sunscreen is formulated with oils and chemicals meant to penetrate the skin and stay put to provide long-lasting protection. Moreover, each sunscreen brand mixes different oils and chemicals, so that's why some removal tips may work in one case and be useless in the other. When these same oils and chemicals come into contact with your car's leather seats, they can easily seep past the protective coating and into the leather itself. Think of leather like a sponge with tiny pores. The oils in sunscreen act like a delivery system, carrying chemicals deep into these pores. Once inside, they bond with the leather fibers, making them difficult to remove. The longer the sunscreen sits, the deeper it penetrates, which is why it's essential to clean it up as soon as possible. Now, why is it so hard to remove? The main issue is the oil-based nature of sunscreen. Oils can be stubborn and require specific cleaners to break them down. Simply wiping the surface doesn't work because the oils have already soaked in. When you try to clean it, you need to use products that can break down the oils without damaging the leather. This means choosing the right cleaner and using the correct technique. Aggressive scrubbing or the wrong product can damage the leather's finish, or even strip away its protective coating, making the situation worse. That's why using a gentle touch and the appropriate cleaner is crucial. Products designed for leather care can safely break down the oils without harming the material. Conditioning the leather afterward helps restore its natural oils and keeps it from drying out and cracking. If the sunscreen is still wet, the first step is to blot it gently with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Don't rub, as this will only spread the sunscreen further into the leather. Think of it like blotting a spill on your favorite shirt. You want to soak up as much as possible without making the stain worse. Alright, now let's talk about cleaning options. Depending on how stubborn the stain is, you have a few choices ranging from light to moderate cleaning power. For light stains, a little dish soap can do wonders. Mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water. Dip a microfiber cloth into the soapy water, then wring it out so it's damp, not soaking wet. Gently blot and wipe the stain in a circular motion. Be gentle, like you're washing a baby's face. Once the stain is lifted, use a clean, damp cloth to wipe away any soapy residue. Then dry with another microfiber cloth. For a bit more cleaning power, grab an all-purpose cleaner. Make sure it's safe for leather. Always check the label. Spray the APC onto a microfiber cloth, not directly onto the leather. Gently work the cleaner into the stain using small circular motions. This should lift the sunscreen without harming the leather. After the stain is removed, wipe the area with a damp cloth to remove any residue, then dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Extra tip, if wiping with the towel is not effective, use a soft bristle horse hairbrush with your APC or leather cleaner. This will allow getting deeper into leather pores, but be sure not to spread the sunscreen even more. Work gently with the brush. If the stain is really stubborn, it's time to bring out the big guns, a leather-safe degreaser. I share the degreaser in my sunscreen post in the description. Again, apply to a microfiber cloth first. Gently rub the stain in a circular motion, being careful not to oversaturate the leather. Degreasers are powerful, so a little goes a long way. Make sure you pick suitable dilution. Once the stain is gone, thoroughly wipe down the area with a damp cloth to remove all traces of the degreaser. Then dry with a clean microfiber cloth. After using any of these methods, it's essential to condition the leather. Apply a small amount of leather conditioner to a clean microfiber cloth and gently work it into the leather. This helps keep the leather supple and prevents it from drying out and cracking. Think of it as moisturizer for your car's skin. After all, even your seats deserve a little pampering. And there you have it. Your leather seats are clean, conditioned, and ready for more summer adventures. Just try not to use them as a sunscreen towel next time, okay? All right, that's it for today's quick and easy car care tip. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in keeping your ride looking sharp. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Hold My Beer Detailing. Stay shiny and have a lovely detailing, folks.